How to contact booking.com customer care. If you would like to contact your customer care on booking.com, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to open up your browser. Then once you open up your browser, just go to booking.com and log into your respective account. Once you log into your account, over here you'll find a question mark icon. When you hover your mouse over it, it will say contact customer service. So this question mark icon is somewhere that you want to click on. When you click on it, it will take you to the help center. Now over here you can see different options, but you can select get help with a booking. Over here you can select any of the reasons. You can select a category or whatever else it is. You can enter the confirmation code and the PIN code. But if you really want to talk to someone, then you can call or message them by clicking on message customer service, or more contact option, call customer service. If you want to call, you can click the call button. You will see the customer service number load up right here, and otherwise you can also go ahead and click on manage customer service option. This way you'll be able to go ahead and then contact booking.com customer care. I hope the video helps you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comments below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon as always in the next video.